Let's make this example most frequently used visuals, okay, by marketers in their content. 37% is organic graphics, or sorry, original graphics, and 40% is stock photography, and 12% is charts and data visualization, and 7% is videos and presentation, and 4% is GIFs and memos. We're gonna talk about this and create a better maybe a newer one of this pie there. All right, so you know how to do it. We're gonna go to the insert, chart, and click pie. And we're gonna wait. There you go. And we're gonna click on it and open the source. All right. And down in here, you can see right now 37% is organic graphics. So we're gonna put that. I'm gonna just hover in here. So let's pick up. So there you go. You can see it's 4 data, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 data. So I'm gonna just copy and paste another one. So you can see right now it's now 5 data. So team number 5. I'm gonna team number 5 is what percent? What is it? Okay, it's original graphics. Okay, so we're gonna say original graphics. Okay, and click in here. All right, so you can see right now original graphics, and how much is it? It's 37%. So we're gonna go to 37%. And let's go back to this one, stock photography. Okay, it's 40%. Now it's team number 4. How much is it? It's 40%. So we're gonna click on 40%. And it is stock photography. Okay. And a little bit making this bolder. There you go. And let's click again. So there you go. It's 12% charts and data visualization. So we're gonna click on that. So it's team number 1. All right. So data visualization. Oh, I got it. Oh, again, I couldn't write it. Well, okay, sorry. So we're gonna say charts and data visualization. And we're gonna click in here, paste it. Now, how much is it? It's 12%. So we're gonna click 12%. Now let's go with the 7% is video and presentation. So team number 2, video and presentation. So it's 12. What is it? It was 7%, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 7%. And finally, this one is 4%. What is it? It's GIFs and memos. Okay, GIFs and memos. So right now you can see we made the chart we wanted. Okay, and this is fantastic. As you can see, we can edit the chart. And we can edit it really. And once you click the edit it, okay, you have tons of options. But for now, let's not talk about it. For now, let's only stick with the not edit the chart. You can delete the chart. You can download it as a PNG or PDF or SVG. You can publish the chart as well. Okay, like you learned it, okay, from here, like publish the data, publish to the web. That's the same thing. And we have copy the chart, move to the own sheet, and we have all the text. Now let's clearly talk about edit chart in the next lecture.